Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about different CapCut editing techniques. So video editing is a very premium skill, so you must have to learn this skill, and if you want to earn good amount of money. And also you can share this skill, these videos with your families or friends, so they can also learn and earn. So in today's video our agenda is how to add text in videos or how to text editing in videos. So I am going to open CapCut PC and I want to import some. Here are this I want to import this video here, and now I am going to add text. This is the default text here, and I place this text here. So these are the setting of the text, and let's see. First of all, the text. So I write here text editing. This is my text, and I want to change the color to yellow, so red for visibility. Now I want to change font, and I want to choose resolve because it is prominent and bold, and I want to increase font size, style, underline, italic look good, uppercase, lowercase, or title case. After that, character spacing, no. Line spacing, there is no line, so that's why. Alignment, and you can also choose presets, ready-made presets like this one, like this one. So I choose this one, and after that, position and sizing, you can also scale up, scale down, or position in this way, and you can also decrease the opacity, and there are many other different, like you want to add some glow, so click on this and glow your text, and you can also give shadow to your text like this one, blurriness decrease. So in this way you can edit your text and edit videos. Now I want to do one more thing, that I want to add some in animation and out animation. Slide up and out animation, throwback. So let's see. So this is our edited text, and now you can see how it goes out from the like this one. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.